Hello everyone, welcome to all of you Chauhan Management classes. And today class has started economic class has started. For this class as a CBSE 11, 12 and ISC board, and after that BCom and BBA. For this benefit for this class student has a benefit this class CBSE board and ISC board and BCom and BBA. This student are a benefit this class. Now continue. First of all, I explain the introduction of the economic. First of all, I explain the introduction of the economic concept of the economic, or said the told the concept of introduction of the economic. So this is a first of all I explain the economic. Economic is a derived the Greek word. Economic is a derived the Greek word. This is a economic word has a derived from the one Greek word. Greek word has a two Greek word oikos nomos. This is a made up oikonomio. This is a Greek word oikos nomos, which are two words made of two words oikos nomos. Then after complete a oikonomio. This is a part of Greek word economic, which convert the economic, which means the oikos nomos, which means the house management. Oikos nomos, which means the house management, and oiko plus nomio. This is a two word. I have also told you oikonomio has a made a two words oiko and nomio, oikos and nomio. This is a which means the household. So this is a Greek word. Then after convert the Indian word economic. This is a convert the economic. So this is a economic made a Greek word which derived the Greek word oikonomio, which made a two words oikos and nomos. Then after complete a oikonomio, which means the house management, your house or a household. Then after that economic is a social science. Economic is a social science. Why social science? Because social science, economic is a social science. It called a social science. Economic is a called a social science because this is a I explain the why are you called the social science. First of all I explain the social. So economic is a social because we are study or we study this mankind in society. With study we study of the value of the study of the mankind in society, and it deals with the human aspect in society. Then after this is a called a social. Then after called a science because science is, since it we call it this called with science because this is a define the social problem, human problem, which why this is aspect mankind and society, study with the mankind in society, then deals with the human aspect. Then after that define a create a many problems. So then after that define a many social problem from scientific point of view. Then after called a science. This is a called a science because we study of the define the social problem, human problem with scientific point of view. This is a called of the science. So then after this combination of the social science, this is a economic as a social science because this is a study of the mankind in society and human aspect in society, and this define the human problem, social problem, this scientific point of view. This is a called a economic is a social science. Then after that I have explained the need, wants, demand, what a need, what a wants, what a demands. Then after I have explained the needs. First of all I explain the concept of the basic concept of the economic. Very few people can give you can explain your basic concept. Very few people can explain this basic concept of the economic. First of all I explain your basic funda. We have own family. We all of you have own family. We have all of you have a own family, and we all of you have a mom and dad and bro and sis. All of you have a mom and dad, bro and sis. This is a manage a house. First of all, I have explained your house management, household. This is a economic or economy. So first of all, manage a house. Mom, we are mom, manage a house and earning a money. Dad, yeah, family have a, any one person have a earning a money. Have any one person have a earning a money in our family have a get a many, any one person have a earning a money, any one person earning a money in our family. Then how manage a house, then mother has a manage a house as a basic fulfillment, a basic requirement, bread, food, clothes, education, and all daily necessary things. This is a manager house. Then earning a money, anyone family member earning a more money. This is a expense, able to meet the expenses, and fulfill the basic requirement, fulfill the basic needs, basic requirement. So this is a part of the economic. This is a part of the economic. This is a basic function of the basic fundamental of the basic concept of the economic. How to manage? Very few people can explain. Now I explain the briefly. Explain this. We have to various and varied activities throughout of the. We have to various and varied activity throughout of day. Attaining the adulthood, we have to attaining the adulthood. We have the attaining the continue converging, attaining the adulthood. We have our own family, we have our own family, we have our own family, we have to our own family. And we are required to make a food, clothes, education, and all daily necessary things, daily necessary things in our life require a, this is a require a food, clothes, education, and all necessary things of the daily routine. So this is a we have to activities ourselves, we have to activities ourselves to earn the money. We have to activities ourselves to earn the money. Anyone member have a get a more to more work and get a more to more money, get a do the hard work and work to more work, then get a maximum earning a money, which after that which able to meet the expenses, which able to fulfill the basic requirement in our life, This is a part of the economic. This is a under part of the economic, which is a how to this is a first of all how to generate a demand, demand generate as a demand, basic requirement, food, clothes, education, and all daily necessary things. So this is a demand. This is a generator. Demand convert to transformation. However, fulfill the demand. Then after have a price, money, have a money. Then after he completed the fulfill the this demand, require a demand. This is require a need a money. So then after transformation, and after that give your supply. Then after complete the fulfill the demand. So this is a demand generate transformation process. Then after complete get your convert to the transformation. This process under this is a apply to supply, then fulfill the your demand. So this is a basic concept of the economic. Now complete the I explain the needs. Need is a basic requirement. Fulfill the basic requirement as a bread, clothes, shelter. Bread, shelter, clothes. This is a basic requirement. roti, kapda or makan, bread, shelter and clothes. This is a basic. After that, wants. When need, when this is needs are specified, this need are specified, then called a wants. This when are the needs are specified, when needs are specified, then called a wants. Why? Take a cloth, take a cloth, this need a cloth, but anyone cloth, but wants take a cloth as a Canary London, red cheap, Canary London, red cheap. This is a wants, wants, pantaloon. So this is a wants. After that, will require a basic require a bread, but I am don't bread. I want a pizza, Domino's. So this is a wants. After that, need is specified. When need are specified, then called a wants. Then after that, demand. Demand. First of all, demand. This is an important part of the demand. Demand. You have a wants, wants plus willingness to pay, and ability to pay, which are these part of the demand. Wants, we got a wants, then after that willingness to pay, then after ability to pay. So this is a fulfill the demand, then complete the process of the demand. When wants, willingness to pay and ability to pay have your effort, this, then after complete the demand. So this is a needs, wants, demand. Needs are a basic requirement, repeated, the needs is a basic requirement, fulfill the basic requirement. Wants, when needs are specified, then convert to wants, then wants, demand, wants, willingness to pay and ability to pay, then complete the demand, so this is a function of the introduction of the economic. After that, I have explained your fulfill your fully explain the economic function definition, function nature of the economic. Next class I have explained this part of the economic. Thank you everyone.